guys, we're going to make some chicken roll-ups today. One of our favorites again. We have lots and lots of favorites, but this one is so delicious. I'm not going to say it's quick and easy because it's not. It's easy, but it's not quick. But it is so worth it. So let's get started right now. So I have already pulled up 2 really good sized chicken breasts, and I got them nice and shredded in this bowl over here. It's got it set aside. There are several ingredients to this one. Like I said, it's not the easiest one, but it is so worth it. And it will feed quite a few people too. So if you have like a big dinner party or family coming over or whatever, or you have a big family, we're going to have leftovers. So, let's get started. I have 4 ounces of softened cream cheese and 2 tablespoons of softened butter. I'm going to put those together here. How about I just get y'all down here? There we go. How's that? That's a little better, isn't it? So I've got 4 ounces of cream cheese, which is a half a block, and 2 tablespoons of softened butter. And both of these are soft. We got to get those smushed up together. So I want to get it kind of creamy. The best thing to do with this is just a fork. What I have learned. Cream cheese is nice and sticky, so it's not easy to work with, but the more you work with it, the easier it gets. All right. Now I'm going to add in, let's see how much this is. I forgot already. I have about 3/4 teaspoon of garlic powder that I'm adding in here. Let's get that mixed up real good. Okay, so now I'm going to put this in here with my chicken. I had to get my spoon just a second so I can get all of that out of there. Okay. Get that in here. Now, it calls for, let's see, a teaspoon of minced onion flakes. I am out of onion flakes, so I just did a little bit of onion powder here instead. Either one is just fine. And then I need to add in, got stuff stuck to my finger. Okay, and then I also want about a cup of shredded cheese. And 2 tablespoons of milk. All right, let's see if we can get this mixed up a little bit. All right, and we're going to add about half a teaspoon of seasoned salt. Now you can see what I'm doing. And just a little bit of pepper. And we'll mix that up. All righty. Now, let's get our other stuff done, because this is going to be, I need this other stuff done now. So I have 1 can of cream of chicken soup. I'll just use the same deal here. Get that out of there. And a half a cup of milk. I like to use whole milk so that it's not quite so runny. You know what? I'm going to need to get me a whisk. Hold on just a second. That's better. And I'm going to put about a half a teaspoon of black pepper and 3/4 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Just mix that up. Okay. Now, you're going to need a 9x13 dish. If you are using metal or glass, you need to spray it with a non-stick spray. I'm using a stoneware, so I don't need to do that. Let me get some of this stuff out of my way here. Okay, so what we need to do is get a little bit of this mixture, the cream of chicken soup and milk mixture, and just kind of drizzle it down here on the bottom. I'm not like coating it completely, just hope y'all can see what I'm doing. Just like that. Okay, now we'll put that aside for a second. Now I am getting 2 cans of crescent rolls. I keep them in my refrigerator because they start getting all gummy, and I don't want that to happen. So, let me wipe that up. Don't want to get that on the bottom of the pan. So I'm trying to get this where y'all can see what I'm doing. So here's my first can. You can find the end of it. Here we go. Anyway, these get gummy really fast if you leave them out. So I keep them in the refrigerator until right before I'm ready to use them. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to get these and unroll them like this. And we're going to take this chicken mixture and get a heaping tablespoon, and I just use my little cookie scoop here. Trying to get this where y'all can see what I'm doing. How's that? Get my little cookie scoop and put some of that chicken stuff in the middle of it. And we're going to roll it up just like that. And then we're going to put it over here. Just like that. I'm going to go through and do all of these crescent rolls like that. And you just put them in the pan. So I'm just going to keep doing this. I'll be back. Alrighty, I got them all done. I was able to fit 6 on either side, and then I turned these last 4 sideways in the middle. I try to keep them a little bit separated as much as possible. It helps them cook a little more even. Then what I'm going to do is take the rest of this cream of chicken soup mixture, and I'm going to spoon it over each one, just like this. You just gotta Go sparingly on it to make sure that you're able to cover all of them. I know my youngest daughter, if she sees this video, she's going to be like, I wish I was there eating with Mama. And then I just take the rest of this, which is about a half a cup of cheese left, and just kind of cover it. You don't want it to be covered in cheese. So just kind of sparingly drop some over the top. Just like that. I have my oven going at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to stick this in there for 30 minutes. That's it. And I'll be back with you guys to show you just how delicious it is. Guess what's ready? Turn off my oven. I'm going to bring it over here so you can see. Yeah, it's kind of getting a little bit of brown toasty on the top. Not a whole lot, but a little bit. And it smells so good. Hang on. Okay. Let's get this plated up. I usually do 2 on my plate. I gotta get my deal. Here we go. It's trying to slide on me. It is so hot. Okay. Nummy, nummy. Let's see if you can see chicken in there. Inside of the crescent, it's cheesy. Eek. It's so delicious, y'all. And this is one that tastes even good when you put it in the refrigerator and have leftovers and just pop it in the microwave, and it tastes just as good the second day, third day, if it lasts that long. Like I said, we're having it with green beans. It's good with a salad too. It's so delicious, y'all. I'm gonna go eat it. Y'all go make you some. See y'all later. Bye.